Good afternoon once again, students. I hope you have been introduced with the lecture and you are familiar now with the innovation contest and the Galgotias InnoFest. We are now moving towards the one of the biggest event of our InnoFest. That is the launch of our Galgotias Innovation Contest for 2021. As you can see on the poster, the last date for the screening has been extended to 31st of December 2020 and the grand finale is scheduled tentatively into the later month of the January. I now request Ravi sir to kindly take over the session.
Uh, Thank you so much, Mrs. Vinny ma'am. Before we launch this Galgotias Innovation Contest, the Honorable Vice Chancellor ma'am, Dr. Preeti Bajaj is here. So I request Honorable Vice Chancellor ma'am to kindly formally announce this Galgotias Innovation Contest as launched and open for students.
So, good morning, dear students. I'm very happy to announce this Galgotias Innovation Contest, and I'm sure that would give you a platform wherein you can present your idea, you can present your concept note, you can apply for the prototypes, proof of concept, and then I'm sure that will boost the innovation quotient of the university. You will enjoy, because that is the platform for which probably every youth in every university is waiting for. So I'm very happy that the innovation team led by Ravi has launched this. Dr. Sandeep would be joining him in the same, and the team from every school is going to be there. Wherever you have stuck, they are going to mentor you, they are going to support you, and then finally it is going to be, the reward is going to give you the academic incentives as well. And don't do it for academic incentive, don't do it for just as a contest, but do it for yourself, just to enjoy. Where do you stand in the world of innovation? Can you contribute to the wonderful world of innovation? Do you have a thought process wherein you have a capacity to change the world? You have capacity wherein you can be a change maker. I'm sure when you will take up for yourself, not for anyone else, I'm sure a lot of innovations would come, and I would be always there with the team to support you. Galgotia, let's have Galgotia's flag high in the world of innovation. Thank you so much, Ravi, for giving me this opportunity to address the students as well. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Now I am just going to explain you the detailed guideline for this contest. What are the timelines and how we are going to go ahead in this contest. So it will be just a short session. We are not going to take much time for the students, because I know for last 2 days you've been hearing a lot of sessions, and this is the end of this 3 days Galgotias InnoFest. And I request ma'am, if you can just share the contest guideline posters which I shared with you. Yes. So first of all, obviously there will be the question from all: what's the eligibility? So any students of Galgotias University, whether it's from the engineering, non-engineering, diploma, PhD, as long as they are enrolled in university, they can apply for this contest. Now, what can be participated? What kind of project idea can be participated in this contest? So any innovative idea which are in idea concept stage, they should apply for the idea stage category. Now, if at all there are any project which are in the proof of concept. So proof of concept is like they have some physical form for their project. So it should not be just a document, or it should not be just a presentation idea of their concept. So if they have some physical form for their idea, for their project, they should apply for the proof of concept. and the prototype stage, right? So there are two categories in this contest. One is the idea stage and proof of concept. Now, what are the methodology we are going to follow? Now, the first level, which is going to be the screening phase only. So we will try to just screen those who have not seriously submitted, just for the sake of participation they have applied, so that are going to screen out in this first phase. Otherwise we are going to accept all the submission in the level 1. So the last date for that is 31st December 2020. Now the level 2 would be, what we are going to do, we are going to obviously we are going to have these projects and submission in two categories, idea and POC. Now we are going to allot students a mentor. So we have already innovation ambassador, total 6 innovation ambassadors are there. So Winnie ma'am is going to announce their name later. In fact, you can announce now also. So who are the innovation ambassadors? So they are going to be allotted these innovation ambassadors, and they are going to mentor them for overall refining their entries, their submission, right? So Winnie ma'am, if you can just let all who are the innovation ambassador for Galgotias University. So you can just announce their name. We don't need to show their profile.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Dear students, at university, we have 6 innovation ambassadors whose profile has went online on Ministry of Education website also. We have first with us Dr. Sansar Singh Chauhan. He is from School of Computing Science and Engineering. We have Dr. Sandeep Shukla. He is from School of Medical and Allied Sciences. Then myself, Mrs. Winnie Sharma, I am from School of Basic and Applied Sciences. Then we have Mrs. Ruchi Arora from School of Architecture. We have Dr. Gaurav Kumar with us from School of Biological Sciences. And we have Dr. Shraddha Sagar from School of Computing Science and Engineering. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. And of course, I'll be there for overall mentoring in terms of the business and how should be they move ahead. So I'll be as an overall coordinator for this. And the level 3 would be the presentation in front of jury. So like this level 2 would go for next 20 days after 31st December. So obviously we need at least a week time in screening all the level 1 submission, and then probably by the 10th of January you are going to get mentors, and from 10th January to 25th January you will get mentorings from all those mentors. All this shortlisted submission from the level 1, they are going to get mentoring. And after 25th of January you can just give some practice presentation in front of your mentors, and then the final would be probably that which we have decided is 29 to 30 January. So that is going to be in front of the jury of mentors, entrepreneurs, investors, and that will be coming from outside. So it is not going to be only internal. So it will be a jury mix of internal plus external. Now top 3 winner would be announced in both categories, and the certificate of achievement would be given in both categories. Now the top entries for both categories. So we are not very sure that for National Innovation Contest, which is going to be organized by Ministry of Education Innovation Cell, how many entries we can nominate. So let us say if that contest will allow IICs to nominate 10 projects in idea and POC both categories, then we are going to select top 10 entries from this innovation contest, and which we are going to straight away nominate for them for National Innovation Contest 2021. So the timeline for National Innovation Contest is yet to be released, but we are sure that it is going to be released in the month of January. And by the time we have already have all the students which who have participated at this contest, and they are going to get more mentoring to better improve their idea, improve their POC. Now, what are the post finale? So obviously this innovation contest is not going to stop after finale or after level 3. So all the finalists of idea stage category will be mentored weekly to convert. So like for example, if they are in idea stage, so idea stage will try to convert to prototype stage, and the top 3 winners of prototype stage, they will be eligible to get sponsorship in terms of the patent support. So like for example, filing the patent, that support will be provided from the university's IPR cell, and plus they'll also be help in converting their POC, proof of concept, to MVP stage. So yesterday Saurabh Jain sir has already talked about what is meant by MVP, that is minimum viable product. So there are different stages of innovations are there, which says like for idea, POC, prototype, and then minimum viable product. It is a startup cycle. So it is not just whatever the project that you have been developing as a project, it is not going to sell in the market. So you need to convert from the consumer's perspective, and that is going to be called as a product, which is called as what the MVP. So that support is going to be provided later on. Okay. Now I'm going to share you what kind of format we have designed. I request if you can, ma'am, if you can share the contest format. Yes. Can you please zoom it? Yes. Thank you. Now for level 1 submission, we are going to ease the process. So we have already shared one Google form earlier when we launched this Innovation InnoFest. So 2 minutes. So earlier, just we have already when we launched this Galgotias InnoFest, we have already circulated this contest form, and we have received the feedback that this submission form is too difficult. So what we are going to do for level 1 submission process, the Google form is going to be circulated today on social media also, and on mail also. On mail, it is difficult to reach out to 15,000 students because we are not able to send mail to this many number of students. So we are going to leverage social media plus the various CR groups and other faculty, through faculty also. So you are going to get this form link, Google form link, and also you can contact Harshit, Vishal, Ayush. Already they have given their number. You can contact if you haven't received the Google form link for level 1 submission. So in level 1 submission, we are not going to ask you to submit the your entry in this format. So what we are going to do, we are going to only ask questions as per this form, right? So we are going to ask about the team details. So the team lead is going to submit the Google form. So they need to provide their name, their email ID, their contact numbers. Then they can participate individually also. We encourage, don't do that, because it is very important to have it in a team. But still, if they don't have team, they can also participate as an individual also. Then they need to provide their team members. So they need to ensure that whatever for one entry, only one team lead, on any one team lead will submit on behalf of their team. So it should not happen that all the team members for one entry is submitting the form. That should not happen. So you need to decide mutually who is going to submit on behalf of team, right, for that Google form. And if at all you have mentors, faculty, any faculties or staff from the university, kindly do that. It is not mandatory. So if any, then kindly add mentor details also. So please move ahead. Now the name of idea, and if you have ideas, you need to give some title. What's this project, or what this idea is all about, or what this POC. So then you need to give title. Then you need to give theme also. So the theme, you need to select at least, not at least, maximum 2 theme. So can we just go to the annexure 1, ma'am, so that I can just describe what are the themes. It is at the last part of the format. Just go down. It is at the annexure 1. Yes. So these are the themes. These are the theme for the contest. So the first theme is the agricultural and biomedical devices. So they need to tell us that their idea or their POC to which theme it is applicable. कौन सी theme में जाने वाला है आपका project, वो आपको बताना पड़ेगा, and you can select maximum 2 themes, right? So पहला जो theme है वो है healthcare and biomedical device का. Second theme है agriculture and rural development का. Third, smart vehicles, electric vehicle motor and battery technology. Then fourth है food processing. Fifth है robotics and drones, waste management, clean and potable water, renewable and affordable energy, IoT based technology, and last is ICT, cyber physical system, blockchain, cognitive computing, cloud computing, AI ML. So we have tried to cover all the possible themes, right? Because we need to clearly have what kind of submission entries we are getting. But if at all, if you are not very sure to which theme we are going, our project aligned with, हमारा project किस theme के साथ में है, so we can just simply mention other also. There is no restriction to write theme, right? So later on in the mentoring stage, we can see to which theme your project can be aligned. Okay, so can we move again, go back to the from the point from where we move to annexure part? Yes, here. Now this is very important points. So you need to define problem. So again, I am saying that you don't need to write in the format. You need to answer this question within Google form only. So define your problem and relevance to today's market society. So again, this is I am saying that the innovation contest is related to your whether your project is applicable to some really problem statement, really defined problem from the market, from the society, or maybe industry. So that you need to write in this answer to this question, define your problem and relevance to which sector. Okay, then kindly propose your solution, how you are solving that particular problem which you have identified, the answer which you have earlier given. So that you need to answer in maximum 100 words. Then kindly describe the process, kindly describe the product, process, service, and also especially you need to tell us how innovative your idea or how innovative your project is, right? So this is going to be your third question. Next question is the fourth question, whether the proposed solution or the proposed idea product, whether it is been already available in the market or not, and if such similar service, if such similar product is already available, you need to mention it, and what kind of improvement you are been bringing in your submission, in your project. Okay, that you need to write in this question, how is your product is better from the similar product. Next, please move ahead. Now this is going to be last question. Now the feasibility of idea and the POC solution, that we are not going to ask in the level 1 submission, because we understood that this is going to be, we wanted to ease the submission process. So the feasibility of idea and POC solution, that we are not going to ask. So we are going to have only 5 questions related to your submission. And the last question is that to which stage, to which level your project is, to which stage your idea is. So there are, if you can search what are the innovation cycle for any product development, so there are total 9 stages. That is called as technology readiness level, TRL level जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं. So आपका स्टेज, आपका जो आइडिया है, आपका पीओसी है, वो कौन से टीआरएल लेवल पे मैच कर रहा है. अब ये टीआरएल लेवल के बारे में आपको डिटेल जानकारी एनेक्चर 1 में मिलेगी. सो काइंडली गो बैक टू एनेक्चर अगेन मैम. Now this is defined, this is a global, I haven't defined, this has been defined at the global stage. So you can also search on the Google also TRL levels, right? This is called as technological readiness level. So there are total 9 TRL levels are there. पहला लेवल जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं 0 लेवल. सो एनीथिंग ऑलवेज द नंबरिंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 0th. सो TRL 0 का मतलब होता है कि आपका जो भी आइडिया है, इट इज ओनली एट द पेपर स्टेज, मींस it is a idea stage, it is unproven concept, no testing has been performed. So it is just a hypothesis. This is called as TRL0. Now TRL1 is known as a basic research. Some principle has been postulated, observed, but no experimental proof is available. So you have already given some thought about your idea. You have postulated some theory, but you don't have any experimental proof for that. So you have designed some formulas, you have designed some flow chart, you have designed some diagram designs, but you don't have experimental proof of that, right? So that will go into TRL1. TRL2 is like technological formulation. Means आपने ऑन पेपर फॉर्मुलेट कर लिया है कि इसको टेक्नोलॉजी को कैसे इंप्लीमेंट करना है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल कि किसी का माइक्रो प्रोसेसर या माइक्रो कंट्रोलर बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट है. सो यू हैड ऑलरेडी वर्क ऑन कि किस तरह से आपका कनेक्शंस रहेंगे, सर्किट कैसे फॉर्म होगी. So this is called as technological formulation, right? And but you haven't implemented on this circuit, right? So इसके हम लोग कहते हैं TRL level 2, technological formulation. Okay. Now TRL3 is applied research. Means आपने पहला टेस्ट को कंप्लीट किया है. Means you have the first proof of concept with you. Means you have given a shape to your idea. आपने जो भी डिजाइन बनाया, आपके जो भी दिमाग में चीज थी, आपने उसको एक फिजिकल फॉर्म में बनाया. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट द प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके. नाउ द TRL4 जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं स्मॉल स्केल प्रोटोटाइप बिल्ड इन लैबोरेटरी एनवायरनमेंट एंड विच इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज द अगली प्रोटोटाइप, राइट. सो प्रॉब्ली आपने जैसे देखा होगा कि फॉर एग्जांपल एक वोडाफोन आइडिया का ऐड आता है जिसमें कि एक गर्ल है जो कि मोबाइल से वो जो खेतों में जो लगे हैं उसको कंट्रोल कर रही है, राइट. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ वर्ड, इसको हम लोग कहते हैं स्मॉल स्केल प्रोटोटाइप, जो आपने अपने लिए या अपने जो आसपास के लोग हैं उसमें इंप्लीमेंट किया है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अगले प्रोटोटाइप, राइट. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई आस्क दैट वो इनोवेशन को आप मार्केट में सेल करो, कैन यू डू दैट? ऑब्वियसली कैन नॉट, बिकॉज देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट अगली प्रोटोटाइप, जो कि वर्क कर रहा है but only for some users. कुछ लोगों के लिए वर्क कर रहा है, right? That is called as what the ugly prototype. TRL5 मतलब होता है लार्ज स्केल प्रोटोटाइप, जो कि आपने कुछ ज्यादा लोगों के साथ में इसको ऑलरेडी इम्प्लीमेंट किया है. 10-15 लोगों के साथ में आपने इम्प्लीमेंट किया है, इसको हम लोग TRL5 कहते हैं. Then TRL6 is prototype system tested in intended environment close to expected performance. Like for example आपने लार्ज स्केल से इसको और ज्यादा बड़े स्केल पे लेके गए. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आपने उसको पूरा NCR रीजन में सबको जाके बोला कि भाई आप हमारा प्रोडक्ट यूज करो, आप हमारा प्रोटोटाइप यूज करो, एंड देन यू आर गेटिंग द सेम एक्सपेक्टेड परफॉर्मेंस जो आपको एक छोटे स्केल पे मिल रहा था. सो दैट यू कैन से यस आई एम TRL at TRL6. TRL7 का मतलब होता है कि आपने अपना सिस्टम, आपने अपना प्रोजेक्ट एक प्री कमर्शियल स्केल पे लेके गए हैं, उसको आपने पूरा प्री कमर्शियल लेवल पे डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट कर दिया है. TRL8 एंड TRL9 के बारे में ज्यादा बात नहीं करूंगा, बिकॉज यहाँ तक के पहुंचने के लिए काफी टाइम लग जाता है. इवन IIT के प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं पहुंच पाते वहां तक के, काफी डिफिकल्ट है. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू हैव अ डिस्कशन, राइट. सो फॉर आइडिया स्टेज वी एक्सपेक्ट कि आपका जो भी स्टेज है वो TRL0 से लेके 2 के बीच में रहेगा, ठीक है. इट कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट कि शायद मोस्टली 70% सिर्फ TRL0 पे रहे. ओके. नाउ प्रोटोटाइप स्टेज के लिए जो रहेंगे, POC स्टेज के लिए उनका स्टेज, उनका लेवल शुड स्टार्ट होना चाहिए TRL3 से. ओके. TRL3 से, एंड ऑब्वियसली वी आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि आप लोग TRL6-7 तक के जा पाओ, but even if you are able to implement to TRL4 only, that's a good thing, ठीक है. So prototype stage के लिए TRL3 and TRL4 sufficient है. Okay, so that you need to mention कि आप कौन से लेवल पे हो. So idea वाले जो है वो TRL0 से लेके 0 से लेके 2 का मेंशन करेंगे, और जो POC वाले हैं वो TRL3 ऑनवर्ड्स करेंगे. आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि TRL5 तक की जाए वो, but I guess TRL3 या TRL4 पे रहना चाहिए, ठीक है. So this is what the contest form, and again Miriam, can you please go back to from the point where we switched. So इसके जो बाकी के सिर्फ we are going to ask only 5 questions only. Now the feasibility इसके ऊपर और है शायद से, नहीं यहीं से. Okay, fine. तो फिजिबिलिटी ऑफ आइडिया, पीओसी कंसोल्यूशन, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी मेंटर्ड। ये आप लोग को अभी इसमें ज्यादा जोर देने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप लोग सिर्फ ये जो पहले 5 क्वेश्चन है उसके ऊपर ही आप वर्क कर सकते हो और गूगल फॉर्म में सबमिशन कीजिए। एंड देन लेटर इन लेवल 2 स्टेज आफ्टर वी screen the submissions, when we going to assign you the mentors, they are going to help you in develop these things like feasibility आपकी क्या है, आपका स्पेसिफिकनेस कितना है, मेजरेबल है कि नहीं है आप लोगों का प्रोजेक्ट आइडिया, अटेनेबल है क्या, कितना रियलिस्टिक है, कितना टाइमलाइन लगेगा, ये सब आप लोगों को आपका मेंटर हेल्प करेंगे। देन नेक्स्ट एक और पॉइंट है यहाँ पे फिजिबिलिटी के अलावा भी नेक्स्ट, ये आपको मैं सिर्फ बता रहा हूँ अभी बिकॉज वी नीड टू टेल यू द कंप्लीट प्रोसेस, द एप्लीकेबिलिटी। सो एप्लीकेबिलिटी के लिए भी आपको आपके मेंटर हेल्प करेंगे। सो एप्लीकेबिलिटी के लिए यहाँ पे टोटल हमारे पास में 5 पॉइंट्स है जो कि यूजेबिलिटी के ऊपर बात करता है, आपका आइडिया, आपका प्रोजेक्ट कितना स्केलेबल पोटेंशियल है उसमें, इकोनॉबिलिटी, सस्टेनेबिलिटी है क्या, बिकॉज we need to follow the SDGs also, which has been given by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So that is also one of the parameters that you are going to take. So economic sustainability and plus environmental sustainability. And then is there any IP component associated with innovation? अगर है तो ये सब चीजें जो है वो आपका मेंटर करेगा, आपको हेल्प करेगा, आपका मेंटर, आपको इसमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है। एंड देन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वी नीड टू सी कि इसमें स्टार्टअप पोटेंशियल कितना है, तो कितना बड़ा पोटेंशियल मार्केट आप लोग देख रहे हो अगर आपका प्रोजेक्ट आप लोग कंज्यूमर पे लेके जा रहे हो। सो यस्टरडे सौरभ जैन सर हैज ऑलरेडी टॉक अबाउट कि मार्केट साइजिंग क्या होता है, कि कितना सर्विसेबल एड्रेस मार्केट किसको कहते हैं, टोटल एड्रेसेबल मार्केट किसको कहते हैं, टारगेट मार्केट किसको कहते हैं। तो ये सब के लिए आप लोगों को आपके मेंटर हेल्प करेंगे। So this is what the Galgotias Innovation Contest is going to be, how it is we are going to have. And thank you so much. The submission form will be open today at 3 o'clock, and we are going to publish the link on the all the social media, WhatsApp channels, and everywhere. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, Vinny ma'am. And I'll be the overall coordinator for this thing. Thank you so much. Over to Vinny ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ravi sir. And we from Galgotias University, we really appreciate your effort in organizing this event and meticulously planning the event, and especially collecting the wide array of speakers who were there with us the entire 3 days for encouraging our students and motivating them towards the path of innovation and becoming job generators rather than job seekers. With the students, with these motivational lines, I would just like to end the Galgotias InnoFest 2020, and we will be soon sharing all the details of the contest with you using the social media handle and emails also. So kindly be with us. We hope that you all will participate, are encouraged to participate into the event, and we will meet you soon once again. Thank you so much, students.
And please don't forget to fill the feedback form. So that feedback form is going to be open now. So please fill feedback form also. Thank you so much.